Okay, so I'm working on a snapper engine mower and I was having trouble getting the hub that the wheel attaches to off of the axle, and ended up having to cut through with a Dremel tool and cut off wheel, and then finally I was able to get it off. But to, to keep from hurting the differential, what I did is I put the flange on the edge of my picnic table and then just used a ratchet strap. Here's the other hub, so I'm doing a similar thing here. And so it's mounted to the edge of the table, so that the flange is the wheel flange or wheel hub is supported by the corner of the picnic table, and then I have a ratchet strap keeping it from falling over or sliding off the edge of the table. And in this case I just took a socket, found a socket that's about the right diameter to fit inside of the hub, and I'll just pound on the socket and force the shaft out the bottom. So anyway, that's how I got the hubs off for this rebuild. Please like, subscribe, and share the videos. Thanks.